This is how you're going to import products from Amazon to Shopify using the Spreadr app. So if you want to run an Amazon affiliate store on your Shopify site, the Spreadr app is the easiest tool to use. So you're going to do this by installing the Spreadr app from the Shopify App Store first. So head over to your admin.shopify.com and then you'll be able to see this left side panel. So what you're going to do is to just click on apps right here. Just click on add. And then from this page, you're going to have to click on this discover more in the Shopify App Store. And then once you click on that, it will take you to the app Shopify App Store. What you're going to have to do is to just search it from here at the top. You're just going to search for your Spreadr, and then here you'll be able to find this app right here. Now you're going to click on that, and then once you're in this page, you're going to click on install right here so that it will be installed into your Shopify store. Now what you're gonna do after you have installed it, you're just going to add or copy the URL of the Amazon product that you want to sell, and then you're going to have to paste that link into the Spreadr dashboard and then click on import product right here. So you'll be able to see this quick import box, and then you're just going to have to paste the Amazon product URL right here. Now the app will automatically pull the images, description, and price into your Shopify store. When a customer clicks buy, they are sent to Amazon to finish the purchase and you earn a commission. And that is how you're going to import products from Amazon to Shopify using Spreadr app. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.